Welcome to a quick guided stretching video that doesn't require you to stand up from the chair you're currently sitting on. These chair stretches are to remind you of the proper posture to avoid back pain from sitting all day like this. We're going to get started right away with a sitting version of child's pose. Just fold forward and try to release any tension in your shoulders, neck, and back. And slowly roll up. Next, you're going to want to scoot forward so you're sitting halfway on your chair in order to squeeze your core inward and round out your back. Hold here for a couple seconds before sitting up and repeating one more time. Release the tension in your core as you come back to a neutral spine. Slowly connect your chin to your chest and stretch your neck down and all the way back up. Repeat one more time. Look forward and drop your head to the right and to the left and repeat. Now tilt your head to the right to roll your head all the way around twice. And reverse to the other side. Next, bring your right arm up and gently push your elbow down with your left hand. Make sure to maintain a neutral spine and do not stick your chest out. Switch arms and repeat. Release the arm and extend your right leg while keeping your left leg at a 90-degree angle. Drop your chest down to your legs. You should feel this in your right hamstring. Roll up and switch legs. Slowly roll up, and for our last stretch, cross your right leg over so that your ankle rests on top of your thigh. While maintaining a neutral spine, lean forward as much as you can. You can rest your arms to your side or gently place them on top of your right calf. Sit back up and repeat. This time, lean forward and take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, try to lower yourself further. Deep breath in, release, lower, and hold. Sit back up, switching legs to do the same thing with the left leg. Lean forward and hold, keeping your breath slow and steady. Sit back up to repeat with 2 deep breaths. Return to a neutral sitting position, and that's it. Thanks for following along, and remember to avoid sitting on your tailbone because it puts a lot of strain on your lower back. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, follow us on Insta, and like our Facebook. Stay safe!